Today we are going to learn how to use substitute formula in Excel. This is, when you have large data. For example, you want to get rid of this key, question mark, hashtag, and greater than. So you have to substitute with other or keep it blank. So it's better, you can use shortcut key if it is in few data, 5 line, 6 line. You can use find and replace for large data, but you have to repeat the find and replace for each step. If you want to remove the question mark, you have to remove the hashtag, you have to same place. But if you substitute with one formula, then everything will be removed in one shot. So we'll take this formula. So basically you have to count how many substitute. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to remove 4 substitute. Okay, so here it's go. Substitute 1, substitute 2, substitute 3, substitute 4. Then you have to select the cell range, question mark. So first, what you want to remove, you have to put in double inverted comma. Okay, so double quote, what you want to remove, stash key. Okay, double inverted comma, and you just want to leave it blank. So double quote, close the bracket, comma. Now what you want to remove, question mark, double quote, question mark, double quote, comma. For blank, double quote, bracket, again comma. So the third one will be hashtag, double quote, hashtag, double quote, comma. So you want to remove, leave it blank. So double quote, bracket, and the fourth one will be greater than sign, equal to, double quote, take the greater than sign, double quote, comma. For blank, double quote, and close the bracket. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, 3. Everything is cleaned. This is useful for the large data, unless it's you don't want to use find and replace. But find and replace, what it does, you have to do it for every step. For removing the stars, then question mark, and this one 4 times we have to press. But if you put this formula in one and just drag, everything will be removed, or whatever you have in anything else, some extra key. But you have to remember the formula only. Double quote, it removes, and space, double quote, it gives you blank. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you. I'll write the formula below for your understanding. Thank you.